You see me inside this tree? Look, I'm right here. I got to tell you about this tree. This is a Weeping Traveler Redbud, and it is the coolest tree. It is one of my favorite trees ever. And of course, it's in beautiful bloom right now, but there's more than just blooms to talk about on this tree. If you saw my last Redbud tree video, you know that the flowers are edible. They also make an edible seed pod. They're native. The pollinators love them, etc., etc. But this one is a little bit different. Let me give you my perspective here. See how these branches, they start and then they just bend downward. They actually go all the way down to the ground because this is a weeping variety of the redbud. And it also gets these cool blooms on the trunk itself, which is kind of fun. Most redbuds are upright varieties, so they're going to look like a traditional tree, but there are weeping varieties such as this traveler redbud that are a lot more small in stature. So this one only gets about 8 feet tall. So this is pretty much fully grown, but this weeping branches just makes for some really cool architecture. So they look really nice even in the winter time. And then they also look cool in the summer when they put those leaves on that are big and glossy. But of course, the blooms in the spring are just the absolute best. I mean, that's so cool.